all the fangirls who are watching us today, Saturday afternoon. A little unusual because Manilapreneur is trying to give you a lot of good contents about K-drama. So, as usual, we're here in our usual setup. Teka muna, parang tabi ni si Yunbin. Yunbin, are you okay there? Wait lang. Okay, I can see it from the camera. There. Okay. So, like what I said, good afternoon again to all the fans of K-drama and to the fan group of the Hyunbin Philippine Fan Club, who's always here to support every single content that we are giving them. Good afternoon sa inyo, and then the admins are there who are as always engaging everybody when they send out messages, no? Alam nyo, this afternoon, medyo different kasi when we made the launch of the poster or we invited you for this stream, we specifically told you na we have a special guest. So mamaya malalaman nyo kung sino si itong special guest na to. Pero syempre, of course, lagi naman tayong lagi naman tayong excited pag naggagawa tayo ng mga fan gatherings here in our streams. And of course, today, what are we going to expect for the entire 1 hour show of ours is that we have updates. That's correct. We have updates for the upcoming birthday celebration that we are all preparing for this coming September 25. So, alam ko, the past few weeks, we have been quite active of discussing about this topic, kung anong mga ganap natin para sa birthday ni Hyunbin. So, today ko yan i-update sa inyo para naman aware kayo kung alam nyo ang mga ganap at kung meron kayong hindi nalalaman, this is the time to catch up. Okay, just like what I said, we have a program today, and we basically do not have any celebration because practically this is just a usual fangirling chikahan. But we closer to the date of our birthday celebrant, we always try to engage as many fans as possible. Why? Because from what I recall, or from what I'm sure of, the Hyunbin Philippine Fan Club is the first and only fan group, or should I say fan club, who is conducting this such activity. Ano ba tong activity na sinasabi ko? This is exactly what I'm talking about. Our fan gathering, wherein we live broadcasts, discussions, insights of fans, wherein for the past year, dun tayo lumalaki. Okay, so kung magpa-fangirling flashback tayo, we started July 2020 when we launched our merch and our website. Oh, di ba? Alam niyo yan, yung merch and website natin. Sino ba sa inyo dyan yung mga naka-purchase ng mga website, naka-purchase ng mga merch natin? Ang dami niyan. Kasi yung mga yon, if I recall it, we launched it on our website. Tapos, August, gumawa tayo ng documentary interviews with bloggers, yung blogger na Fandom Diary. So, Fandom Diary, gumagawa siya ng mga content. Tapos minsan, K-pop, so tayo lang ang K-drama na nakapasok doon. Kasi ang mga fini-feature niya sa channel niya, more on K-pop groups. So tayo lang, tinan mo, that's a record to break also. We are the only fan club who is standing an actor na nakapasok dun sa Fandom Diary. And then September, who would not remember this very great event when we had the birthday celebration of Hyunbin. So hindi ko na yan i-elaborate, alam niyo na yon sa mga nakatutok sa atin. They already know how big we came out with all our projects, wherein we were featured in newspaper locally and internationally, di ba? October 2020, ni-launch natin yung fanzine natin, which is the first also and only fanzine created by a fan club for Hyunbin. So, for the record na naman yan, kayo lang ang nakagawa niyan. And December 2020, we are also the only fan club who conducted a Christmas party involving other fan groups. So we invited them to join, and then we had a Kris Kringle, and we have a Christmas party per se, diba? And then the early of this year, January, we also collaborated with the fan groups of Sonia Jin, wherein tayo lang din ang gumawa ng virtual birthday celebration para sa kanya. And February, it is, I'm sure there are other fan groups who does it, but in our case, we did fan bondings wherein we, during that time, it was kind of safe and then we were allowed to go out. So we had a couple of admins and fans who went on a vacation all together, right? And then April and May, we had a different approach on how to respond to the pandemic that is being faced by our society. We have a CSR activity of live selling, and then we also came out with a COVID care kit, which we give out to people who we think is in need of this. And who would have forgot the June? So last month lang, maaalala pa natin. 2 months ago. June, ano bang ginawa natin in June? June, we supported several actual fan meets of Hyunbin, like of Bench and of Smart. And needless to say, alam nyo naman that the Hyunbin Philippine Fan Club was very great, was very lucky. And I must say na lucky in the sense na we really worked hard for that. We're in most of our entry, may it be a video entry, a letter entry, or a photo entry, most of them were kind of given highlight during the bench. Doon nagsimula yung trending na video ng Tank Girls. And also for Smart, we are like the only fan club who was able to have a certain AVP that was presented during the show. And July, which is last month lang, we celebrated also the debut in a way of having a virtual fan meet. And we sent a gift to Hyunbin, which is our Fanzine 2021. So these are just few of the things that we have been working on, or we have worked out for the past year. And I am very happy to inform also everybody na the Hyunbin Philippine Fan Club is growing in a sense that normally kapag ang actor hindi masyadong active, the groups disbands, or sometimes some pages becomes inactive, but not for us. Not for us, because we are always growing. I see a lot of more new faces this past few months. When I say faces, because I gave time to like check them out, and sa group chat namin, they're kind of active. They really post their photos with their merch, and that's very nice. Kasi alam nyo, when we all started this fan club of Hyunbin Philippine, this fan club, specifically the Hyunbin Philippine Fan Club, we did not know each other. Di kami magkakakilala. Everything is virtual, believe it or not. But after the continuous kamustahan on the group sessions, we ended up like we were real friends long way back. So that's nice kasi we are going out of our virtual friendship, and that's what that is nice about the group. Kasi not just in the Philippines, some are actually based sa ibang lugar, tulad ng Hong Kong, Singapore, Korea, what do you call this? US, Australia, UAE. Okay, those places. Hello, like, yeah, I meant to mention Mylene. Mylene is from Hawaii. So, what do we, parang tayo, napapaisip tayo, our virtual friendship through this simpleng nagkikilig-kiligan tayo, simpleng nagchichikahan, nag-aasaran tayo sa group chat, it ends up to be a real friendship. And that's what's nice about this Hyunbin Philippine Fan Club. I mean, we reach out. We don't have like petty issues or whatsoever, because it's kind of toxic. Alam nyo, kaya nga tayo nagpa-fangirling kasi nakaka-distress siya. Okay, nakaka-distress, we're able to forget our problems. We are able to like help other, unconsciously, you are in fact making the mere fact that you're doing fangirling, if you are not even aware, paminsan nagiging inspiration ka sa mga ibang tao. And that's the reason why we have special guests who also gives inspiration to fellow fangirls. It may not necessarily just be for Hyunbin, but the mere fact that it grows the interest of fangirling to everyone yun yung bagay na nakaka-addict kapag nafe-feel mo na you're part of a certain community, tapos nasi-share mo yung mga thoughts mo, or nakikita mo na ay may kapareho ka pala, may mga taong may mga pinagdadaanan din, pero just like you find so much comfort in doing fangirling. Okay, so that's so much so of an introduction of why we are having such a different twist on our event. Kasi kung parati na lang tayo nagchichismisan about Yunbin, syempre yung mga iba sa atin, di ba, mga bagong sali sa group natin. So when they're new in the group, maybe they're also fans on other fan clubs, or they're also standing other actors, but all of a sudden they have a certain interest with Yunbin, di ba? So ganun lang yun. No? We are like all going around in one such ecosystem of fangirling, right? Okay, I basically just explained my standpoint on the fangirling aspect. So, bago ko na, so lahat naman ng pag-uusapan natin today, as I mentioned, is about fangirling. Sa mga posters poster or material that you saw for the past few days, we have a teaser, right? So, kanina bago ako pumasok sa show, this teaser was shown to you, and it is about a Filipino who is luckily able to live the K-drama life. Okay, this K-drama life is something I'm talking and I'm speaking for myself. I personally is so jealous about. Naiinggit talaga ako sa kanya. Naiinggit ako for the reason that nobody can travel right now. So, gustuhin ko man pumunta dyan, I have to have a very good excuse why I'm traveling. Dahil hindi tayo makatravel dahil hindi natin kaya. It's more of hindi tayo makatravel kasi hindi tayo allowed pa to do a travel in some places, specifically in Korea, because they have strict guidelines for travel for purpose of leisure. Kaya naman, ang ginawa na lang namin is that we tried to ask him if he was going to be free this afternoon, kung pwede natin siyang kakwentuhan and to find out. Kasi malay mo in the next months or so, or in a couple of years or so, wag naman sana abutin ng maraming taon, is makagawa tayo ng trip as a fan group, meaning the Yunbin Philippine Fan Club can all go to Korea and visit those places that we see in Yunbin's, most of Yunbin's K-drama, right? So yun yung mga bagay na gusto nating gawin in the future. So I'm going to introduce to you the Filipino, well, according to him, he's not a vlogger. So what he does basically is that he visited this location and took photos of that one and he uploaded. In fact, he's very, very humble. Very humble because he's saying na bago pa lang daw siya, na nagpo-post ng mga ganong bagay. Pero when I checked on him if he was really a hardcore fan, I believe so he is, because working Mondays to Fridays and only being able to go out during breaks on a weekend, like today, he goes out and visits those places. So, syempre kapag nakatira ka sa ibang bansa o nagtatrabaho ka sa ibang bansa, medyo busy ka, diba? Hindi mo, pahinga mo lang talaga weekend. So, we're happy, Christian, na you are able to spend time with us this afternoon with the Binyans of this Yunbin. Pati ka muna. Hello!
Hi, hello po. Good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Hello.
In Bisaya, you say it maayong hapon?
Maayong hapon. Yes.
Maayong hapon. Yung mga nanonood sa atin, kabalo kayo dahil si Christian ay taga Leyte. Okay, so karon mag-istorya ta kay nalingaw na ta. Tama ba? I'm saying it correctly.
Opo.
Nalingaw na ta. Dahil daghan man siya naging okay, I'm lost na. I can speak a little and I can understand because my mother is from Visayas also. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, anyway, Christian, nagbigay ako ng introduction kung sino ka at ba't ka nandito. Okay, sa mga sa mga fans ni Yunbin. Kanina sa backstage, when I was interviewing Christian, I asked him if he was a fan of Yunbin. But of course, hindi naman siya mapupunta sa show natin kung hindi siya fan ni Yunbin, di ba? So medyo delayed lang because when he's able to go out now in Korea during those period, the Crash Landing on You was no longer the set or those yung time na yon, hindi na daw siya available. So but that's okay because ang reason naman kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng fangirling discussion right now is basically about you living the K-drama life. Right? Guys, Binions, if you have questions, please throw it in para matanong ko si Christian. Mababasa ko sa kanya yung mga tanong niya. Pero alam mo, Christian, total chismisan lang naman to. Ako plano kong pumunta dyan. Gusto ko rin gawin yung mga ginagawa mo. Obvious naman na nung pumunta ka dyan, fan ka. Pero, paano nag-start na gusto mong bisitahin yung mga shooting location? Kasi paminsan pag turista, ang gustong unang puntahan, National Museum, o kaya Palasyo, di ba? I mean, if you're a tourist, those are like the to-dos. Or if you ask any travel agency, yun siguro yung mga bagay na isa-suggest nila sa'yo, di ba? Pero in your case, why shooting locations?
Sa akin po, back when I was college po kasi, I was a huge fan na po talaga ng Korean drama. And that's why na pag nakapunta po ako dito na first time ko po talagang pupuntahan yung mga shooting locations po ng Korean drama. So that's why po. Kaya po napaisip ako na why not, di ba? So for fun and for stress reliever, you know, like that po.
It's true. It's a stress reliever.
Yeah.
Paano mo nalalaman yung address? Paano mo nalalaman yung shooting location? Kasi syempre nakikita mo lang naman siya sa K-drama. Paano mo na-discover na yan yung station, yan yung MRT station sa ganun? How do you know that?
Some of my friends po kasi was talaga fan po talaga ng mga Korean dramas din po. So doon ko po nalalaman sa kanila yung mga locations and mas nauna po ata silang pumunta, tas nag-follow na lang po ako. Kasi yung iba po walang pasok, yung iba asawa ng Koreans, and that's why po siguro.
Okay,
yes,
paano yung asawa ko Pilipino na wala nang mag-a-advise sa
Pwede naman po.
Anyway, since we're friends na, we're in contact, pag pumunta ko dyan, tatawagan kita.
Sige po, why not? Sure.
Yan na. Guys, nare-record natin tong conversation. May tour guide na tayo pagdating doon. Okay,
sige po.
So you're saying, so hindi talaga sinasabi, hindi pinapaalam. Parang siya, first peer-to-peer. Parang nire-recommend, sinasuggest ka.
Oo, kasi for privacy po kasi yun.
Okay. So,
kasi ginagawa po kasi namin yun pag halimbawa nagsushoot pa po or ongoing pa po yung show kasi po para siguro po maano din namin yung baka may nagsushoot pa, may nagpi-film pa para makita din namin kung sino yung mga artista po.
Okay. Christian, teka muna break tayo kasi natawa ako. Mabasa ako ng comment habang nag-e-explain ka.
Okay po.
Kahit naka-mask ka, meron tanong dito. Alam ko hindi na magagalit si Christian Meron tanong dito, galing kay Joyce Girl Rosas, may girlfriend ka na po ba? Okay. Alam nyo, si Christian, fangirl yan. Ano ba kayo? Hindi ba nakikita? Pambihira namang tanong yan.
Opo, okay. I'm a fangirl din po. Charot.
Fangirl. So naman si Maylene, na bakit naman fanboy ang sinabi? Fangirl! Okay, fangirl siya. Okay, so sabi mo, dun sa kinikwento mo na experience, etc. kayo-kayo. Pero dapat mabilisan. Kasi for example, nag-shoot ngayon. Baka bukas pack up na, di ba? So, paano nakahabol yun? Paano mo nagagawa?
Yeah. Siguro po, after na po siguro sa shoot. Parang gano'n.
Pero yung iba kasi set di ba? Siniset up nila, tapos after a few weeks, nawawala na. Di ba?
Actually, dito, a day lang. Ang bilis lang nila mag-shoot.
So pagka-shoot today, kung tapos na yung segment na yon, bukas wala na yung setup.
Oo, wala na. Parang for that certain part lang ng show, ng scene, parang yun lang po yung shoot. Tapos alis na po agad sila.
Okay. So mga Bilyan, kung magpaplano tayo nito in the future, kailangan ready kayo As in yung mga gamit nyo, wala magdadala ng maleta, puro mga backpack lang. Baka mamaya kailangan natin bumiyahe, lilipat tayo agad. Okay. So
okay naman po kasi may mga lockers po yung mga subway stations.
Okay. Paano yung pag-XL yung maleta ko?
Meron po.
Sa subway station locker. Okay. I understand what you're saying. Okay. Next question. Ano ba yung... So, tulad nung shinare mo sa akin kanina, bago ka lang kasi 2 years ka pa lang sa Korea, tama?
Yes po.
Okay. So, she's just been there for 2 years. And if you guys know, Chloe is like 2019. So, understandable. Kung 2019 din si Christian nandun, medyo nasa dulong part na siya. Kaya yun yung pinapaliwanag niya sa akin. When I asked him, pwede ka ba mag-guest sa show namin? Sabi niya, kaso wala siyang masyo-show na pang Chloe. Sabi ko, pati bale, kwento mo na lang sa amin. Kasi may mga iba sa amin. Like ako, I personally have other crushes. Okay? So I do, so basically si Yoonbin my number 1. But if I am asked to list about like my top 5, meron akong mga ibang mga sinusundan, di ba? So yung, or ano ang mga K-drama na locations na napuntahan mo?
First po, yung Startup.
Oh my God!
Startup ba?
Ay, hindi ako magpasya ng papa-obvious na in love ako kay Han Ji-pyong. Okay, alright. Startup. Okay.
Yeah, Startup po. During spring ata yun? Spring? Yeah. Startup po.
Ano siya, 2020? Right?
Opo, 2020. Yun po. First po kasi sana yung Chloe kaso sadly.
That's fine. Kasi halos magkasunod lang siya. Nauna lang si Chloe ng a few months. Then si Startup. Okay. Bago tayo, ako napipili kung anong gustong pag-uusapan natin. Sino yung sunod? Sino yung sunod?
Startup, tsaka... Ano ba yung sunod? Alam ko.
Vincenzo.
True Beauty po.
True Beauty.
Opo.
Beauty.
Kay Chaon mo.
Paki-shout out daw, kaibigan namin yan. Admin, paki-shout out daw. Yung mga kaibigan mo na nasa, hindi ko mabasa, darling, ang pangalan mo kaya pina-flash.
Jenny. Hi, okay. Shout out mga humans. Pagaling kayo dyan
Si Christian na ang babanggit sa inyo kasi yung iba kasing mga pangalan hindi namin kilala masyado. True Beauty, medyo bagets ang following ito because my daughter watched that one. Yeah, okay. Naku, may nagtatanong na naman, single pa po ba kayo? Ang kulit nyo nga! Kukulit nyo Okay.
Single and ready.
Ayan, pinakita ko sa inyo.
Single and ready to mingle po.
Single and ready to mingle. Okay. So, later, baka hulihin naman si Christian pa nagtanggal ng mask.
Kaya nga, stricto po kasi dito
Oo, stricto na. Mamaya na lang, mamaya. Okay, so,
later.
So, Startup, True Beauty. Ano ba sabi mo kanina?
Tas, Vincenzo.
Vincenzo. Uy, alam mo maraming, since Vincenzo is also parang the plot or like, di ba si Captain Rhys sa Yoonbin, Vincenzo, of course, si Son Joong Ki is also the boss, di ba? Big boss. So he's also a captain there. So pretty much as a character, hindi ako magugulat na may mga Binyans na in love din sa kanya. Okay? So pwede natin siyang pag-usapan later. Okay, who else? Or what else?
Nevertheless po, yung last.
Okay. Songkang, Butterflies.
Do you wanna see Butterflies?
Hindi bang gusto makakita ng butterflies dyan. Okay, so anyway, so doon muna tayo sa startup. Okay? So, kasi alam mo, fan din ako ni Kim Seo-ho. In fact, guys, Manilapreneur, if I may share to you, may be able, so the Binyans here, like what I said, this is purely fangirling. We are also trying to bring to you the content of Kim Seo-ho. So very soon, abangan yan. We're working it out. Yung kinikwento mo na startup, saang location? Teka, baka may, I think, May on the backstage, while me and Christian are having a chat, baka meron yung mga pictures niya na pinuntahan niya sa startup, please show it here, i-flash mo habang nagkwekwentuhan kami. Okay. So, paano natin nung pumunta ka sa startup, ano yung scene na yon? Tsaka just to give us an idea, okay? Kunwari gusto namin pumunta sa mga ganung location. Saan ba kami dapat mag-check-in? Saan ba kami dapat na city mag-stay? Because as you know, we're in the Philippines, so if we fly to Korea, it will be Seoul, right? Or is it Busan? Yes. So we fly to Seoul. Okay?
Seoul
so whatever airline we take, we end up in Seoul. And then when we get to Seoul, how far are these places from the capital?
I think it will take 5 kilometers po. Pero no worries naman po kasi may mga naman po, subway stations, kaya easy lang po na sa pagpunta ng mga location.
Okay. When you say easy kasi para ka it's commuting, right? Commuting via subways. Usually, just for the knowledge, kasi may mga iba na fans, as I noticed, may mga iba na hindi naman, what do you call this? They're not, some have not traveled overseas. So kung ganong klaseng pangarap ang dapat paghandaan, how much money do you need to have para gumawa ka ng ganyang lakwatsa?
Sa akin po siguro mga 5,000 pesos po.
Per lakwatsa.
Oo po, per lakwatsa po.
So, kumbaga, isang
na po yun.
Pa lang yun? Or parang, para mo nang nagawa yung buong K-drama?
Oo, parang ganun po.
Ha?
Opo.
Isang location lang?
Hindi po, parang lahat na po yun. Bali pamasahe. Opo.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin,
pagkain mo.
With the 5,000 pesos, so if example, so roughly about $1,000. 100. So if may $100 ka, which is 5,000 pesos sa pera natin, tapos gusto kong puntahan yung mga 5 location sa startup na K-drama, kasya na yon, yung money na yon.
Opo. Okay. Or less pa po siguro kasi malalapit lang po yung mga nila, mga location. Kaya yung iba, kunwari dito yung location, malalakad mo lang hanggang doon sa kabila, parang ganun po. Yung isang location naman po.
Okay. Yung eksena sandbox, meron ba talagang sandbox dyan?
Wala po.
Wala.
Gawa lang, opo.
Camera trick lang nila yon.
Oo.
Ano yun?
Sa camera lang.
Stadium.
World Cup Stadium ata po. Opo, World Cup Stadium.
Oh, okay. So, nakakapasok naman ng mga tao doon. Di ba may terrace doon? Parang kung saan sila nakaupo, tapos, di ba, yung chairs doon na mga benches, di ba?
Oo, man po.
Yung photoshoot nila sa poster, o yung mga Kim Seo-ho dyan, o ito, Dina, mga kalaban ko kay Kim Seo-ho.
Sa ano po yon? Sa Hanol Park.
Ha?
Hanol Park po yung tawag doon po.
Okay. And this is in Seoul also?
Opo, sa Seoul lang po.
Oh, okay. It's also so are most of the scenes in most of the K-drama or sa karamihan are they all within the capital? Kumbaga sa Pilipinas, nasa loob lang ba siya ng Metro Manila? Kadalasan yung mga scenes na nakukuha.
Opo. Ganon din po. Nasa Seoul lang po.
Okay. Ang maganda kasi sa Seoul, mga Binyans, kumpara dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, doon kasi all the cities or probably all their locations are like connected by subway. Unlike here sa atin, ang hirap mag-commute. Diba? Wala, hindi
Yes,
connect tayo eh. Tsaka pangalawa, of course, the traffic, we cannot discount that. Kaya siguro, yung mga shooting locations nila, they're all very accessible. So, it's really something that is not going to be impossible. So for those of you who has the same dream of living the K-drama life in being able to visit those shooting location, hindi siya imposible. So it's really good if you just have to travel, magagawa natin yan. Okay. So yung mga yon, so sabi mo nga at 5,000 pesos you can go around different location. How about the schedule? Kaya ba siya ng isang araw or kailangan para magawa mo yung album ng Nevertheless? Di ba yan yung pinakabago mong ginagawa ngayon? In fact, para alam nyo lang kung nasaan si Christian. Ikaw na nga, Christian, magsabi, sabihin mo sa kanila kung nasaan ka ngayon.
Opo. Hello guys. Andito po ako ngayon sa bahay ni Nabi. Yay. Alam nyo?
Diba?
They wanna see butterflies? Andyan po yung butterfly, si Nabi.
So, ginagawa, di ba? Nagbinigyan pa niya tayo ng exclusive sneak peek kasi hindi pa niya yan po-post sa page or sa account niya. So, nandyan siya ngayon sa bahay daw ni Nabi at nandun daw yung mga butterflies. Diba? Alam mo, kahit na wala ako dyan sa Korea, kinikilig ako. Kasi the mere fact na you're showing it to us live, it's like, wow. I mean, we sana nagagawa rin namin yung ginagawa mo. Okay, so since nandyan ka, so sabi ko nga, gaano katagal bago mo buuhin yung isang album ng isang K-drama?
If gusto nyo po talaga at porsigido po kayo, you can do it one day lang po. Opo.
Kung 100 K-drama yung pinanood ko, 100 days dapat ako sa Korea.
Kaya nga po eh.
Kasi alam mo, nagpaalam na ako sa asawa ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung papayag siya na iwan ko sila, kasi nga, plano kong gawin yan. Diba? Plano kong gawin yung buong Korea para makumpleto ko yung mga shooting locations na yan. Pumayag naman siya, actually. So, hindi ko na problem yon. Ngayon, ikaw ang problema ko kasi pag pumunta ako dyan, pwede ka ba mag-leave ng 100 days? Wala ka ng trabaho, bigla. Ako masisihin mo. Okay. So ayan, di ba? Nagpunta ka sa location, tapos, na-share mo sa amin. Yan. Ayan. So, ito, yung sinasabi mong parang actual na stadium, wala yan.
Wala.
Siya? Dam? Ano to? Relic? Ay, ano yan?
Parang museum po siya sa loob.
Museum sa loob.
Opo.
And you're wearing you don't have so much layers, so it was spring. Di ka masyadong nilalamig.
Opo, spring, pa-spring na po siya.
Okay. Tapos iyan yung office nila ng Dosan, di ba?
Opo, sa rooftop.
Sa mga hindi nakaka-follow, kilala nyo ba kung sino si Nam Dosan?
Samsung Tech.
Okay.
Yan po yung sandbox. Yung sandbox
yan yung sandbox. Pero ano yung totoo?
Noodle po siya, noodle park.
Noodle? As in pansit?
Opo. Hindi po. N-U-D-O-E-L?
N-U, noodle. Noodle naman ako, diba? Talagang wala akong alam.
Yan po yun.
Oh.
Ano po siya, sa gitna po siya ng parang isla po siya.
Isla, okay. So when you go travel to an isla, ferry? Or you kaya ng
Hindi po. May bridge naman po yan siya po.
Oh my God! Hi, Han Chipyong! Okay, crush ko din kasi yan si Han Ji Pyong eh. Okay. So,
Si Kim
ito,
Soo-noo.
tindahan yan. Ano yan?
Oo.
Tindahan.
Yung tindahan ng lola niya.
Oo,
Yan, no?
tindahan. Pero yung totoo, tindahan
Corn dog.
talaga.
Tindahan. Coffee shop po siya.
Coffee shop. Ang swerte naman ng may-ari ng coffee shop. Pag dito
Oo.
nag-shooting sa Manila yan, lahat ng building niya na may connection ako, papapayagan ko na. Okay, so wow, that's so nice. Thank you for sharing those photos with us. Kilala ng ex-boyfriend. Ma'am Agustin. Para si Ma'am mabanda na naman. Okay, so how about, meron pa bang iba? May mga iba ka pa bang mapapakita? Ito, what, kung may team good boy or may team, ano to King? The King to
Opo, The King po. Yung kay Lee Min-ho.
Lee Min-ho. I also watched that one. That's nice also. What is this?
Sa ano po yan? Sa Busan po yan. Medyo malayo po siya sa Seoul.
Malayo. Okay. What do you mean
malayo
malayo?
po.
What is malayo?
Parang pinaka-south na po siya. Parang dulo-dulo na po siya. Ng South Korea.
Ng South Korea.
Opo,
So, parang kung nasa Manila ka,
parang Davao, parang ganon.
Okay. Basta whatever, kung north or south. Nasa north ako, nasa south kay Davao. Okay, nasa Batanes. So, okay. Medyo mauubos ang pera natin doon pag doon tayo pumunta.
Ang mahal pa naman ng ticket.
Alam nyo, sa Korea, iba ang pamasahe ng adult and kids. Sobrang layo ng difference. As in, kung 100 pesos ang adult, ang okay na wala. Hello? Yay! Don't lose me! Can you hear me?
Yes pa.
Okay. I thought I lost you. Okay, sorry about that. My internet connection was a little bit not stable for a moment. Okay, so nakikita mo yung, ano pa? Tapos na si Netflix. Tapos na si, saan to? This is Vincenzo. Okay. Yung office nila, ano ba to? Yan, sa Seoul din to. I'm sorry, am I lost? Hello?
Nakamute po siya.
Nakamute siya. Okay. Anyway, but I'm going live pa rin, right? Christian, sorry, are you there? Are you back? Wala.
Sir Christian, nakamute po yung yung mic.
Ayan, hello?
Yeah, sorry.
Ayan, po. Sorry.
Okay. So, this is Vincenzo naman, right?
Apo.
Okay. Where is this? Saan naman ito?
Gumga Plaza po siya.
Okay. It's in the city?
Yes po. Sa city lang po siya. Sa
Seoul.
Seoul.
Okay. How about the next one? Sige, meron pa? Just keep on flashing it. It's also
yan po yan.
Yeah. Okay.
Yan po yung puntahan nyo. Siwon. Mark. Maker City Siwon.
Anong ginagawa? Sa totoong buhay, what is it that you have there?
Yan po yan. Yan po yung puntahan nyo para makapunta po kayo dyan. Parang yan po yung isi-search nyo po sa Google Map.
Okay. Ano siya? Anong klaseng lugar siya sa totoong buhay?
Parang mga shop lang po siya.
Okay.
Mga shop, mga store.
Mga stores. Okay.
Dyan, sa baba.
What else? What else do we have? Okay. It's nice, no? You know, when you go to those places, may photographer ka. Kasi syempre.
Wala po.
Kasi
Minsan,
inutusan mo mag-picture niyan, umaawro ka pa man din.
Wala, minsan po may isa. May isa lang po ako, minsan.
Oh, wow, grabe.
Tripod lang po.
Mo pag may tumatawid, sabi, excuse me, can you take a photo? Ganyan.
Parang ganun po.
Nakikisuyo ka.
Po.
Oh, wow.
Mga
Galing
Korean.
na. Paano mo yun gagawin na nagpapapicture ka. Sa bagay, makapal naman ang mukha ng Pilipino kung hindi siya ganyan.
Okay naman sila.
Oo nga.
Approach,
I'm just joking, of course. When I travel also, wala ako as in talagang hinihinto ko pa. Ay, eksisipan yung magpa-picture. Okay.
approachable
Now,
naman sila po.
Oo. Tripod ka na lang, syempre, para mas madali.
Yes
Okay, this
po.
is True Beauty, right?
True beauty po.
Okay, True Beauty. My daughter is a fan of True Beauty. Kasi nandiyan si Wang Inyok. Kilala ko.
Yan is winter pa ata yan. Winter pa po ata yan.
Oo nga, ang dami mong layer, ang kapal nung warmers mo. Okay. Yeah, oh my gosh. So this is all a compilation of the places you've been to for the span of 2 years. Tama ba?
Opo. Yan po, dito po yan. Nevertheless.
Andiyan ka sa location
Opo.
na yan.
Ayan po, nasa likod.
Oo. Marami bang fan si Song Kang dito sa atin? Wait, yun, Bin, okay ka lang ba dyan? Selos ako. Teka lang yun, Bin. Nasisira yung position mo. Okay, sandali na lang to. Wait lang, sweetheart. Okay, okay. Alright, maraming naiinggit ako actually. Kaya, malapit na. Saan ka daw nagsistay? Hindi, saan? Okay, Christian, ikaw na sumagot niyan. Taga saan ka daw?
Saan po? Dito po sa Korea?
Sige, both. Dito in Korea at saka dito sa
Yung-
Pilipinas.
Yungin po ako dito sa Korea and taga Leyte po ako sa Pinas. Yes.
Taga Leyte siya. Okay, so,
Opo.
kaya nga,
Bisayang dako.
Bisaya siya. Bisaya, okay. Marami, asa na, nawala siya. Maybe his signal is not stable because he's out. Anyway, alam nyo, he's back. Yes, nawala lang for a while. Yeah.
Parang nag-ano yung internet ko.
Tagalite siya. Tagalite siya. And siguro, pagbalik mo dito sa Manila, sa Pilipinas pala, I mean, it will take a little longer, right?
Yes po.
Kasi may pandemic pa tayo.
Baka di na ako makabalik dito.
Okay ka lang magpa-lockdown dyan. Kung ako kasi okay lang ako magpa-lockdown. Anyway, Christian, anong mga tip ang pwede mong i-share sa amin sa mga gustong gawin yung experience ng mga nagawa mo? Kasi maraming naiinggit, di ba? Kung ikaw ang magbibigay ng tip sa kapwa fangirl mo.
Ako po siguro dapat planuhin nyo po muna. Gawa po kayo ng itinerary nyo po kung halimbawa kung saan yung shooting location, siguro alam nyo na yun, di ba? So, halimbawa sa Seoul, dapat planuhin nyo yung mag-book kayo ng hotel, yun doon kayo magstay, tsaka yung mga place na puntahan nyo, i-itinerary nyo kung magkano yung pamasahe. Yun po ata. Tsaka patience po. Kasi maglalakad po kayo na maglalakad.
Face shield? Sunscreen?
Patience po.
Say it again?
Patience po.
Patience. Okay.
Yeah.
Patience. Kasi sa bagay, I mean, if you're traveling, you really walk a lot. Di ba? Pag nagmabiyahe ka, wag naman magtanong ng mga personal na tanong.
Siguro mas maganda po mag-travel po around fall, spring, tsaka winter. Pag summer po, wag na po. Kasi spring or winter.
Spring or winter?
Pag summer, sobrang init po talaga.
Okay. Pag summer daw, ano yung spring? Anong buwan yun?
Spring, around March, April. Ganun po. March, April.
Uy, March and April is vacation month here of the kids in the Philippines. So, pwede tayong mag-travel doon. Pero yung iba kasi siyang gusto magsuot ng mga trench coat, magsuot ng winter. Ako
Mm-mm.
gusto ko, when I travel, I like to travel during winter kasi doon ko lang nagagamit yung mga boots ko.
Pang
Alam ko
OOTD.
naman, suotin ko yan dito sa Manila, di ba? My
Opo.
God! Kahit na ang ganda-ganda ko tignan, parang hello naman, mag-boots ka sa Manila, trench coat ka. Okay, so ano yun? Ano yung buwan na gusto naming masuot yung mga trench coat and winter season is exactly what? September to December.
November, opo. November, December, January, tsaka February. Yun po. February,
So,
ang arte.
di ba? Para masuot
Opo.
namin yung mga ganong outfit. But
Ah,
pero alam mo, sa mga hindi na pa nagda-travel during winter, akala nyo masarap. Hindi. Ang hirap mag-travel. Ay, lalo na tayo, sanay tayo sa mainit na lugar. Nasa Pilipinas tayo. As in, siguro, sasakit ang ulo mo sa may bonnet ka, may ears, may headphones ka, tapos hanggang dito, parang wala ka nang nakikita. Diba? Kasi sa sobrang lamig. Diba? Kaya
So,
yung mga,
dapat para ka pong parang tawag dito, lumpia.
oo, balot, lahat, as in
Balot na
every
balot.
part of your body, even your hand, everything. Ako nga, when we were traveling that time, may leggings ako, may stockings, tapos naka-wool yung pants ko, wool, and then boots, and then sweaters, and then on the sweater na turtleneck, meron kang may scarf ka pa, tsaka ka mag-coat. So, the number of layers that you wear when you travel during winter, ang hirap din magbiyahe kasi malaki na yung mga maleta mo dahil nga sa ganung
Mabigat.
sa ganung time ka magbiyahe. Pero syempre gusto natin ma-experience yun eh. Kaya, ganun talaga. Pero gusto mo, ano, Christian?
Worth it naman po.
Worth it naman. Yeah, that's worth it. Okay. I agree with you. And, Christian, thank you very much for making yourself available dahil maraming fans dito sa Yunbin Philippine Fan Club. Kahit na hindi naman si Yunbin yung mga location mo, nai-inspire kami kasi na nagugustuhan namin yung mga pinagkikwentuhan natin dito ngayon. Okay? Hopefully, when we travel to Korea, makita ka namin or ma-meet ka namin in person.
Sige po, no problem.
Yes, pwede mo bang pagbigyan yung mga nagtatanong if they wanted to see your face without the mask?
Mayayain po ako. Sige po, punta muna ako dito sa walang tao.
Sige. Magtago ka muna. Yan, ayan na. Alam niyo si Christian, he can pass para Korean eh. O, tinan mo. Ay, gagawin ko. Okay, kasi nire-request nyo, kaya yan. Diba?
Hello.
Off pa naman, diba?
Ayan po yung bahay ni Nabi.
Ayan yung bahay ni Nabi. Oh, okay. That's nice.
Dito po sila nagmukbang.
Yawa.
Dito po area na to. Yan. Diyan sila
Diyan nga yan. Sus, grabe ha.
Yan po. Diyan po yung bahay niya, yung room niya ata. Yan.
Yes. Yeah, bitaw, Mavs. Murag Koreano, no? Hindi ka mukhang Filipino kasi may resemblance of an Asian, Chinese, Korean, Japanese, ganyan. Singkit kasi siya. Kaya, tas maputi siya. That's why he would pass for probably a local there. Okay. Anyways, do you have a specific question and last request for Christian? Since he's there. Pakikatok nga ako. Kung nandiyan si Dabi. Baka nandiyan din si Song Kang. Diba?
Sana dito sila nag-shoot ng last nila para makita ko.
Oo nga eh. Pero, nevertheless, it's still it's not out pa. Baka may mga shoot pa sila. Pero baka hindi na, no? Kasi tinapos na yung promotion.
Last 2 episodes na lang ata.
Mm. Okay, but it's nice. It's really nice, and it's a different experience for the Binyans to be able to watch you live. For those who are watching, we did not ask him to go to Nabi's place today para ipakita niya. Ha? Nagkataon lang na today is the schedule of our interview with him, tapos naa siya sa balay ni Nadi. Oh, di ba?
Yes po.
So, yun yung reason bakit, ayan, binigyan pa niya tayo ng bonus. Okay? So, yan ang pasabog ni Christian ngayon sa inyo, mga nanonood. We're very happy because Christian is also building his followers. Ano ba yung YouTube? Flash nga, admin, yung meron atang channel si Christian kasi so, may mga nagtatanong dito, ano daw yung channel mo para mapanood nila. Yan. Okay, so follow nyo si Christian sa ganyan. His Facebook is a personal profile, hindi siya fan page, right?
Yes po.
Okay. See, yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo mga Binyans, he's very humble. Kasi unlike others, isa pa lang siguro yung magiging content, ipa-fan page na. In his case, personal profile pa lang yon. So, kung hindi pa siya nagre-reach ng 5,000 friends, i-friend request nyo na. Kasi kapag reach ng 5,000 yan, hindi na siya makakapag-add ng friends. Bitaw, Christian, kabalo ka na pag nag-5,000, hindi ka na makapag-add.
Opo. Oo.
So, this is for chance. Kaya, pag kaya ko naman bisayain, kaya kong sabihin eh. Pero syempre kasi no practice. Pero nakakaintindi. Hindi ko mabaligya. Okay? Dili ko mabaligya. Tsaka daghan nagtanaw sa atin karon na nang diha sa Visayas. Di ba? Am I correct? There are plenty of you guys watching us here in Visayas. Okay? So, I guess that's about it. It was a nice chance to meet you virtually here in our show. Sana maimbitahan ka ulit namin next time. Okay?
Yes,
marami
thank
sana
you.
siguro may mga naging fans ka ngayong hapon. Okay, okay guys, Binyans, paalam na tayo kay Christian. Christian, thank you. Ingat ka dyan.
Sige po. Thank you po for having me. Sa susunod po ulit.
Okay, wow, that is so nice of him to give us a quick tour on the house of Nabi at Nevertheless. Okay, so like what I said, Binyans, it's a different afternoon because we like to nurture more our fangirling experience. Now, it takes us also once in a while, di ba? Parang, kumbaga, needless to say, tayong mga fangirl, syempre, lahat ng mga projects ni Yoonbin, pinagsusupport natin talaga. And then there are times that we come across other actors that we watch and we also like. So we end up watching and also supporting them just the same. So it's just natural for fangirls to also appreciate other K-dramas. And as usual, since karamihan sa inyo are Binyans who are watching us tonight, it's time to give you an update on the things that we are working on for the next month. Okay? So, move na tayo sa next agenda natin ngayong hapon. Okay, teka muna, inom lang ako kasi napagod ako doon. Okay. Let's now go to the updates for the birthday preparation. Okay, so as you all know, we have a donation, sort of like a fundraising for the events that we're going to have for the birthday of Yoonbin, diba? We launched this last August 25, exactly about 2 months, which is also 62 days from the time na we presented to you the meron tayong niluluto, which is the 3 things na pwede niyong abangan for September 25. So we have a charity birthday event. Flash it again, please. Okay, we have a charity event. And then we have an actual gift sending to South Korea. Now, since we knew Christian already, baka marami na tayong contact para tulungan tayo magpadala. So, nandyan si Yvonne, nandyan si Christian. So, we are able to, mas marami tayong chances. And then the fan club's highlight, which is our birthday party. So, 39 ninangs, right? Mai, can you show to everybody the poster that we prepared? Yan, diba? So, thank you for, I'm sure there are people who saw the posters and then may mga nag-message that they want to become ninang. So, all those 39 ninangs, there. So, nandyan ang mga pangalan ninyo in no specific order. But basically, the highlighted names are the ones who, what we call as the super ninangs. Okay. So, yan yung mga, meron kasi tayong ninang and super ninangs, di ba? Tapos, ano pa bang mga dapat nating pag-usapan? Okay, so we have the ninangs, and then, flash the new campaign. Okay. It may be a little, so I'm checking, titignan ko lang kung tama yung flow ko kasi baka malito-lito si Mary. Okay, so as for the next things, okay, mga kumare, yes, mga kumare, Mars, yan. The Yunbin Philippine Fan Club, exclusively, or let's just say na, we give that to you, the title of being ninangs for the show or for the event that we have on the 25. Okay, for this preparation. Now, I will share to you a sneak peek. We have not launched this on the page. Hindi pa namin siya ipinupost. So, kayong nanonood sa atin ngayong hapon, you are the first person who will find out the next pakulo of our club. Okay? So, Mai, paki-show naman ang ating next poster. All right. So, by supposedly 1 month to go, so, ngayon napaaga kasi nga may event tayo with Christian. Pero ikikwento ko na sa inyo. There will be 3 highlights for a birthday celebration. Okay? Just like lahat ng party, merong every party na ang gusto kasi nating ma-achieve dito, ma-feel talaga natin na merong nagse-celebrate ng birthday. Okay? You can take that out kasi sneak peek lang yan. Okay? Okay. Every time a special person, this is where our concept is taken, this inspiration that I'm going to share to you. Tama ba ako sa paniniwala ko or sa practice ko? Every time somebody spends or somebody is celebrating his or her birthday, usually there are like basic things that comes to our mind, which is the ninang. I mean, for kids, if their birthday is like that, the ninangs are the ones who give the gifts, right? That's why inuna natin yan, i-launch sa inyo last month. Right now, we are showing to you na the whole concept of the birthday celebration. Wherein, pag nakakaroon ng birthday, di ba pinaghahandaan ang mga party favors, di ba? Mga party preparations. That's why we have 3 highlights. Nabasa nyo doon, meron tayong tinawag na cake blowers, di ba? Few days ago, or ito lang week na to, in fact, we are very happy that there are some groups, not fan, ha? I'm talking about groups. There are specific groups who approaches us and tinatanong tayong mga binyan kung pwede daw silang join. Diba? That is so, alam niyo, sa totoo lang, I'm very, diba, if you notice it sa group chat, I message you guys telling na every time you post your photos with our merch, I'm very happy kasi nakikita ko na you guys are like proud or you're showing it to everybody that you're a fangirl. Dahil sa mga ginagawa niyong ganyan, kayo yung reason bakit may mga ibang fans from other groups or not necessarily they are from another group, they could probably just be silent fans. But they ended up reaching out to us, tapos ini-inform nila tayo na gusto nilang ma-involve. And as you know, as I'm talking here as your director of the club, I'm happy every time I hear that kind of I'm happy every time I read or I hear that kind of news. Kasi it proves to say na natutuwa sila sa mga ginagawa natin at ayaw nilang magpa-left behind. Since ayaw nilang magpa-left behind, sumasali sila sa atin. So if ever you know, you guys personally know any specific group, or let's just say tropa-tropa lang, as in that not necessarily have to be another fan group or another page, basta like simple group of 3, 4, 5 people or whatever who likes to participate on our on our birthday preparation for Yunbin, we can highlight them on those mga binanggit ko kanina na the three highlights for our birthday celebration. Kasi we encourage those fans na syempre yung iba kasi first time or hindi pa sila nakakasali sa mga ganitong klaseng activity. So ang maganda dyan, since kasi kunwari, hindi nila na-experience sa iba. Dito, nakikita nila masyadong active. Sunod-sunod ang ganap. You are very welcome here. We never have limits. We don't have boundaries. We don't care where you are from. We don't really, it doesn't matter if you are from another actor group or whatever. Basta dito, as long as you are a fangirl, we have something in common. So we have a common denominator, and that we like to just do fangirling. Okay? Nothing else, but we just like to do fangirling. Kaya we are always welcoming you if ever you like to be part of the activities that the Hyunbin Philippine Fan Club is doing. Okay? So yan kasi kung iba kasi nakikichismis lang, nakikinood lang. Tapos nahihiya, di ba gano'n naman yon sa isang party? Papasok ka, tapos feeling mo, ay, hindi na kasi may grupo na dyan, may mga magkakakilala na dyan. Instead of feeling that way, you should feel na, gusto ko sumali dyan kasi masaya yan. Di ba? Ganun dapat. Kaya lahat dito, may it all, kahit na hindi ako, there are several other admins who can link you up to our club, and we're always welcoming you there. Okay? That will always be our stand. Okay? And that's not just for Philippines. I'm referring to probably other places or other Pinoys or may kahit na foreigner. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, yung bumati sa smart na Indonesian sa dulo, gusto nyo, kontakin nyo, pasalihin nyo sa atin. So, it's really something that we just like to do. Okay? Because fangirling is for everybody. Now, okay, we're running about almost an hour already. I mean, sorry, not an hour. It's not almost. We have been having this show for an hour this Saturday. So we gave you an update of the preparation for the Dinang. And then, at this point, I am going to ask is that what to expect. Okay, as a birthday gift to Yunbin, if you have suggestions, if you have anything that you feel is good to be given to him. So last year, we gave the customized shoe designed by our Filipino renowned artist Clint Catalan, and then we also have the Hyunbin beer. And then we also sent a photo book of birthday messages that we have for him since we collated, since na-inipo natin since July. Ngayong taon na to, meron din syempre tayong mga ideas na pinag-uusapan. But just like, it's supposed to be a surprise. So since meron kayong kung meron kayong any good ideas, you can always message that on our group chat. Meron tayong group chat. So kung yung may mga nanonood na hindi pa kasama sa group chat, na gustong sumali sa group chat, i-message nyo I have like about 10 minutes here to go bago ko isara tong show na to. Please message us or message the page that you like to join in the group chat session so that nami-meet nyo yung mga ibang active fans in the club. Okay? So let's see. That may happen very soon kung ano yung i-gift natin kay Yunbin. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, kung may suggestion kayo dyan, you kindly message that to us. Also, so today is August 14, okay? It's been a great afternoon for me as your host to present to you the plans for the Hyun Bin Philippine Fan Club birthday celebration for September 25. And at the same time, I was happy to know that there are several new fans who have joined in our club. At dahil dyan, napapalaki natin yung fangirling family natin. Kaya nagbibigay kami sa inyo ng mga ibang content tulad ng pag-invite natin kay Christian to join in today's session, okay? Ano pa ba yung mga dapat nating abangan very soon? These are the dates that you need to look into, okay? Yan, sino bang nag-jot down yan? Pakikopya yung mga names nila para ma-add nyo. Yung mga other dates na kailangan yung abangan, to be specific, we have a show again on the 21st. Tama ba? Yeah, on the 21st. I will not mention what kind of show it is. Abangan nyo na lang yung poster. So, sunod-sunod to. Ang dami nating ganap. My God. Ngayong ECQ, nakatambay lang tayo sa house, or yung iba naman dyan, they also have still work from home. But at the very least, we are all enjoying at the same time. So, today's 14, we have a show on the 21st. So, magla-live ulit tayo. Panoorin nyo ulit. We have a show on the 25th. And then we have a show on the 29th. Right? So, 3 shows that we will be able to provide you with other good content for fangirling. Okay? So, I guess those are the dates that you have to look out for. And, by the way, di ba kanina nakita nyo na nagpapakita kami ng mga sponsors, etc., etc. Guys, if I may, okay, this is a personal request. May those people who are sponsoring us, or those companies are sponsoring us, sometimes it does not have a direct connection to the club, or it does not have a direct connection to the fans, right? But I wanted to request to you that I wanted to ask a favor that we also support them, because there are several things there are several things that we benefit from by having them to support us. I mean, if you understand that one clearly, may mga bagay na hindi ko kayang gawin personally on my own, nor of any of the admins, but we request the help of other people coming from those establishments para magawa namin kung ano man yung mga pinakikita namin sa inyo. So, sometimes in the pages, I share something na about them or whatever. You just visit their page, check out what they have, maybe they would interest you, and then support lang, share. Kasi that's how we are being supported, and that's how we also extend our support sa kanila. Okay? So, sana, mamaya, pag offline na tayo, may sisend akong may link sa inyo, and then I hope you can share that one also. Anyway, that's about it for today, this Saturday afternoon of a different fangirling experience. We Christian is at the backstage. I'll talk to him some more. I hope you enjoyed today's program, and I'll see you soon again this 25th. All right, that's the 25th of August. Any more announcement, So, continue lang. Manilapreneur, can you flash the Manilapreneur page so that they can follow us? Right. So, to those who are watching for the first time, or for those who joined us for the first time, all this content is coming from Manilapreneur Corp, who is very, very, very supportive to the Hyun Bin Philippine Fan Club and to everyone's fangirling desires, okay? So, meron bang gusto magpa-shoutout sa akin dyan para saktuhin ko na 1 hour and 15 minutes? Okay, yung mga names na they are very, 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 very supportive also. I see them always. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ko kakaririn na laging gumawa ng show. Okay? Yun lang yun. Dahil kung I'm very, very much inspired every time I see that yung mga ginagawa nating mga activities is something na nagugustuhan ninyo, 'di ba? A little different, hindi naman laging always okay. Ito kasi ang principle ko if I may share. Fangirling. Gusto ko kasi yung fangirling, ayoko lang na audience. As much as possible, I want the fans to be involved. Kasi normally, pag fans ka, di ba, audience ka lang eh. So this is the subject and you're just an observing party. You cannot do anything. You're basically just watching it. It's one way. So what I'm trying to change here is that the community is able to engage to each other and to be able to reach kung ano yung subject nila. Very, very soon, God willingly, if we are as strong as we are right now, malay mo, di ba? At any point, the actors or the idols or the celebrities we look up to, manonotice din kayo eventually. So that's how I want to always make it in the fan club. Mag-reach out kayo para lahat kayo nakakausap namin. Alright? Okay. That's it. I said about 1 hour and 15 minutes. So, 2 minutes more. But nonetheless, papaalam na ako sa inyo guys kasi baka may mga lakad pa kayo ngayong Saturday. Okay? Thank you sa lahat ng mga nanood at sa mga nandyan pa sa backstage. Thank you so much. Those are admins are helping us to do this program. Mais in the backstage directing the show. And Ella who does all of your collaterals that you are watching. Okay? Good afternoon and have a great weekend ahead. Bye-bye!